Hello and welcome back to my channel, and hello to anyone who hasn't been here before. I'm going to do a quick video here on the winding mechanism of this car here. As you can see, it's stuck. It won't go up nor down, and yeah, so it's a winding mechanism. This has like a scissor action inside, so it shouldn't be too much of a big problem, but I'm going to give it a try, see can I get it fixed, use a bit of magical stuff on it. You'll see in a minute. It's not really magical at all, but anyway, and I'd like to say give it an old hit the subscribe button, hit the old thumbs up, leave a comment, why don't you? And yes, and a big shout out to the big man there in Derry. Thank you for your support since I started my channel a couple of months back, and yeah, nearly at 250,000. Wow, amazing stuff. But anyway, let's get stuck in here now. So the first thing we have to do is, there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and there's one there, 4. And then the handle obviously has to come off as well. So this is pretty simple to do this, like. So what I'll do is I'll just rattle them out now really quickly. The first things first, there's one in behind here, hiding in behind that. That's number 1. Number 2, I'll use one of these plastic spatula things to get off this, so you don't damage the plastic. Number 2, and number 3, and number 4 is in there, so we have 2 in behind this one. So let's get the old screw gun on the go. Zap them out. 1, 2, 3, there, and then I just have a small little bucky screwdriver for this one, so we'll take this one out here like so. Quick as that. Slide them out. Down there, and then just clip in behind it all here now, so these are pretty simple to get out. And I'll just use this. There we go. And it jumps right into there. And then the wind off handle comes back off. So that's that. Now, a little bit of messing about on that. Now, the next thing is we use these plastic tools again. And behind the car, once you get the first click, there we go. And we have that there now. Next thing is try and get this handle off here now. There's some like sort of latches here. So, 1, 2, 3, there we go. That's it. That comes out just like that. Now, put the card off there now. The next thing we want to have to do is have a look. Somebody was in here before me by the looks of it. Interesting. I might put some plastic back into that, but anyway, let's see, can you see it? There it is. There's the winding mechanism there. Where's that handle? Let's put this on here now. See, can you see what? So look, see, can you see? can't see any obvious reason. So the first thing I'm just looking at here is the rust. Now hold off there for me, son. The rust is one thing there that's just sticking out to me now here now. So yeah, that's all wet in there too. So I'm going to use some WD-40. That's the magic, the so-called magic potion. Anyway, there's nothing magic about it at all. It's just grey stuff. So just take that there for a second. And let's get this in here now. It might work. And again, it might not. But anyway, it's worth a try. So I'll put some up and down the runners. Both sides, if I can get them in the top. Let's go to them again actually. Here we go. Get this one from here. Run down there. No problem. And this is just a, hopefully it'll work for me. There's nothing guaranteeing on this, but as I say, it's well worth a try, isn't it? So what I'll do is try and get the scissor mechanism as well. Right, what I'll do is I'll leave that there then for 5-10 minutes. So I'll go and have a cup of tea and I'll come back in 5 minutes after we let that set in there. Back in a minute. Okay, so this is a cup of tea there. Plenty of WD-40 in the ground. I'll clean it up with a bit of sand there in a minute. So let's see how we'll be any luck with this here now. Let's see. Just hold that there for a second. So. There we go. Oh, lovely. Still a bit. That's just the job down there because I couldn't get that down at all. I have to say, you can't beat the WD-40. Absolutely amazing stuff. There you go. So that's very important there now. If you ever have this sort of an issue where the wind is stuck either way, either stuck there will go up or down or just seizes, whatever, for whatever reason, just a bit of WD-40, absolutely fantastic stuff. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reassemble this now. So that's going to be the next step in this game. So brilliant job, I'm delighted with this. So let's see now. Make sure I've everything right here now. Yeah. So in with the handle, first of all, like so. Really simple that is there now. Just back on like so. Like that. Let me just shake all around it. That excellent. There's my handle, it's up here. I need to put the clip back into this. So I put the clip back. See the way there's sort of a nipple on top? That's where you want to put this. So just push this both sides. Sometimes these things can be a bit tricky. There we go. So next thing we need to do here now is put this on here like this, and then put the handle on like so, and then you just, there we go. That is just absolutely fantastic. Let's screw it up then. That's a quick job. 1, 2, 3, number 4. I'm absolutely delighted with this job now, because I was thinking I might have to get a new mechanism when I seen that rust. I just thought to myself, absolutely all good. There we have, this piece goes in like so, and then this one goes in like so. Beautiful job. One more time. Clean the window from the WD-40. Absolutely beautiful. I'm delighted with that. There you go. So that's how you do. If you have any issues with broken, well, should I say not broken, but stuck winders, seized, rust, anything like that. In my case it was rust. But anyway, I hope this video finds somebody useful to somebody, and that that you get some use out of it. And please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and please leave a comment. Have a good day. Thank you.